This is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the calendar app. By default it is going to be Google Calendar, obviously. Then you gotta select the date you would like to set your event on. Let's say I'll go with 27th of June. Then tap at this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your display. Choose an event option from the list or menu, and then fill out all the event details such as its title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence of this event. You can also invite some people or participants, set the location this event will take place at, and configure your notifying or reminding preferences, making extra sure you will not forget about it. Then you can write a brief description, change its visibility, or, well, business. Then hit the save button over there. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.